Get back! Get back right now! Right now, everybody! Get back! Get back! Hand out.
The march appeared to be more theatre than a show of military strength. This kind of warfare has been a part of daily life since the United Nations approved a US-led invasion. Civilians are now being trained to take their place alongside the paramilitaries. They're ill-equipped and ill-trained. Few have been issued weapons, and so far the exercises have been mainly defensive. They carry M1 carbines if they carry anything at all. But it does appear that the military-led government is serious about at least trying to repel invading forces. The aim, quite clearly, is to bolster nationalism. Many now fear the army may be used to turn against pro-Aristide supporters ahead of an invasion. Scare tactics have worked once before. In 1993, an anti-American demonstration forced a US warship to turn around, and plans to invade were put on the shelf.